So you have got a crush, your heart races when they walk by. You overthink every text, and suddenly you forget how to act normal. But don't worry, today I am giving you proven ways to impress your crush without being weird or trying too hard. Before we start, please subscribe this channel for more videos. Surprise them in a good way. A small, thoughtful gesture can leave a big impact. If they mention their favorite snack, casually bring it for them one day. Send them a funny meme that reminds you of them. Compliment something specific about them. For example, I love how passionate you are about art. Little surprise make you stand out in their mind. Don't be too available. Chasing someone too hard can actually push them away. What not to do? Texting them all day, always saying yes to plans and dropping everything for them. What to do? Keep a little mystery, let them wonder about you. Be busy with your own life. Don't wait around for them. When you are not too available, they will value your time more. Make them laugh. A good sense of humor is one of the most attractive thing ever. But don't force it. What not to do? Trying too hard to be funny, making awkward jokes, or constantly self deprecating. What to do? Keep it light and natural. Be playful but respectful. If you can make them smile when they see you, you are winning. Level up your style. You don't need designer clothes, but you do need to look put together. What not to do? Wear wrinkled, dirty, or mismatched clothes. What to do? Find your personal style, casual, sporty, classy, whatever fits you. Keep your hygiene on point. Fresh breath and a good scent go a long way. Confidence plus good outfit is equal to instant glow up. Be genuinely interested in them. Most people try too hard to impress their crush instead of getting to know them. Ask about their hobbies, listen when they talk, remember small details, and bring them up later. When someone feels heard and valued, they automatically like you more. Be kind to everyone. It's not just about how you treat your crush, it's about how you treat everyone around you. What not to do? Only being nice to them while ignoring or being rude to others. People notice that. What to do? Show kindness and respect to everyone. Your crush will admire your character and feel more down to you. Which tip was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below.